I'm KumariDevi. And with your intention, place a diamond in the middle of your crown chakra. A multifaceted diamond. And infuse that diamond with lavender light. Once that light hits the diamond, it opens up the chakra. And it's your universal connection to the divine. And we're just going to leave that diamond in your crown. And take your attention to the center between your eyebrows, the third eye. And take a deep breath in and a deep exhalation out. And with your intention, place a diamond in your third eye. And infuse that diamond with lavender light. And as that light hits the diamond, you are opening up your third eye chakra to inner wisdom. I'm going to leave the diamond in your crown and your third eye and take your awareness to your throat chakra and place a diamond there. Breathe in and out, and infuse that diamond with lavender light. And as that lavender light hits that diamond, it opens up your throat chakra of self-expression. We're going to leave that diamond in your throat chakra. We're going to take our awareness to our heart center and place a diamond there. Breathe in, and on the exhalation, infuse that diamond with lavender light. And as that light hits that diamond, it opens up the heart chakra to self-love. We're going to keep the diamond in the crown, the third eye, the throat, and the heart. Take your awareness to your solar plexus and place a diamond there. Breathe in, and on the exhalation, infuse that diamond with lavender light. As that light hits that diamond, it opens up the solar plexus, third chakra, self-empowerment. We're going to keep the diamond in the crown, third eye, throat, heart, third chakra. We're going to take our awareness to the second chakra, the pelvic region. Place a diamond in that chakra, the second chakra. And breathe in, and on the exhalation, infuse that diamond with lavender light and open up the second chakra. to manifestation. Keeping that diamond active in that second and third chakra, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and the crown. Now take your awareness to your base chakra, to the perineum, and place a diamond in the base chakra. Breathe in. And on the exhalation, infuse that diamond with lavender light. And as the lavender hits the diamond and opens up the first chakra to self-awareness. Now from the crown to the first chakra are 7 lavender diamonds in each of your chakras. The diamonds are infused with light codes. They are suspended and rotating in each chakra, activating your wisdom and knowingness. Imagine a fine silver thread connecting all the diamonds together. The energy from this connection illuminates you. A radiating light. Brilliant, brightening up the cells of the physical body, activating your own light, elevating a frequency vibration in you. You are a being of light. Feel this vibration of light in your physical body. Feel the radiation in every cell, in your toes, in your fingers, in your ears, your nose. Feel this frequency raising your own vibration, radiating out now past the physical body into your space. Feel the vibration, the frequency vibration of the light, raising your own frequency, illuminating you. In this vibration, feel whole and at peace. Be the light. Hold this vibration of light in the physical body. And slowly then tap your heart gently, allowing the light to remain in the body. if it feels better to close the chakras a bit, you can do that now. By just taking your awareness to that individual chakra, the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll close the chakra just a little. Sometimes when the chakras remain too open, you might feel vulnerable or overwhelmed. But keep the lavender diamonds in each of the chakras to allow further activation and radiation of light frequencies to the cells of your body.